What is monopolistic competition? What are its features? Monopolistic competition and its features. आज तक हमने पढ़ा है monopoly, perfect competition, oligopoly, and this is the form of market in the category of oligopoly and perfect competition. तो आप पहले इसकी मीनिंग लिख लीजिए and it is historical background. The monopolistic competition was developed by E.H. Chamberlain. It's the name of a famous economist, E.H. Chamberlain. In his book, Theory of Monopolistic Competition. Theory of monopolistic competition. Theory of monopolistic competition. What type of market it is? It is such a market in which the elements of both monopoly and competition are present. In the monopolistic competition, this is such a market in which some features of monopoly and some features of perfect competition are incorporated or included. Then it becomes monopolistic competition. So it is a mixture of both monopoly and competition. It is a mixture of both monopoly and competition. So it is such a market in which the elements of both monopoly and competition are present. The monopoly and perfect competitive markets are not seen in the real life, but monopolistic competition exists everywhere. We can say that the monopoly and perfect market is not seen in the real life. In the real life, but monopolistic competitive market, but monopolistic competition exists in the real world or exists everywhere. So this type of market exists everywhere. In this market, both the elements of monopoly and competition are present. In this market, both the elements of monopoly and competition are present. So it is such a type of market in which a firm or a seller is on one side monopoly, but on the other side, it has to face the competition with its rival firms. Also in this market, the differentiated products with close substitutes are bought and sold. In this market, differentiated products. This is new term for you. differentiated product, that is product with differentiation. Differentiated products
E-sellers may be
which
similar, but
are close substitutes to each other. Which are close substitutes to each other, or produced and sold. Or produced and sold. So in this market, a unique type of goods, that is differentiated products. Neither
yes, sir.
they are different, altogether different, neither they are same to each other. Different भी एक दूसरे से नहीं है और same भी नहीं है. So they are called differentiated products. They are called differentiated products. अभी हम डिस्कस करेंगे, जब हम फीचर्स डिस्कस करेंगे उसमें हम differentiated product हम डिस्कस करेंगे. So in this type of market, differentiated products which are close substitutes, which act as close substitutes to each other, are produced and sold in this market. So this is the meaning of monopolistic competition. So monopolistic competition is that market in which there is existence of monopoly as well as competition. Both the elements of monopoly as well as competition are existed, and differentiated products which act as close substitutes to each other are bought and sold, produced and sold. And this type of market was given by E.H. Chamberlain. He thought that in the practical world, neither monopoly exists, complete monopoly, nor perfect competition exists. But between this monopoly and perfect competition, a type of market which is known as monopolistic competition exists and prevails in the real life. Real
yes, sir.
life. So it is such a market in which both the elements of monopoly and competition are present. It is mixture. This market has been made with the mixture of monopoly, and it is a mixture of monopoly and perfect competition. So this is the meaning of monopolistic competition. So it is a form of market in which there are many sellers, which we discuss in the features of this monopolistic competition. In this market, many sellers of the product, but the product of each seller is somewhat different from one another, but they act as close substitutes. There are many sellers selling differentiated products. Product differentiation is generally achieved through trademarks. So yes, different firms have different trademarks.
Yes, sir.
Yes. For example, there is a product toothpaste.
Yes, sir.
Toothpaste, which is produced by so many companies. Same toothpaste, yes, which is used to wash our teeth. So it is made by Colgate. It is made by Pepsodent as branded name. Pepsodent. We have Close-Up. Close-Up.
Yes, sir.
These act as close substitutes to each other, but somewhat they are different. In one or the another reason, they are different because companies are different, firms are different.
Same.
On one side, they have to face the competition, but on the other hand, they are monopoly in itself. वो अपने आप में monopoly है. So what are the features? When we will discuss the features of a market, वो हमें पूरी picture देता है कि what type of market it is. So we write down the features of monopolistic competition. Features.
Large number of buyers and sellers.
Monopolistic competition. Monopolistic competition. First feature आप लिख लीजिए.
Large
number of buyers and sellers. चलो ठीक है. Large number of buyers and
sellers.
तो मुझे इसमें थोड़ा डाउट है कि sellers उतने large number में नहीं है, they are few.
Yes, sir.
The number of
Few.
sellers is few. So as in
And
the perfect
perfect
competition, there are large number of buyers and sellers. The size of
also the
each
size
firm under monopolistic competition is small. Each firm has a limited share of the market. So
market.
like monopolistic competition, like a perfect competition, like
Yes, sir.
perfect competition. इस तरह perfect competition में होता है, there are like perfect competition, there are large number of
buyers and sellers.
buyers and
And sellers.
sellers in this market. In this market,
Market.
yes, the size of each firm in this market is small. The size of the firm is small. Size of each firm is small. And their market share is limited.
Yes, sir.
उनका market share जो है is limited. So this is first feature of monopolistic competition.
Product differentiate.
Product differentiation. This is very important feature.
Yes, sir.
DIFFERENTIATION, differentiation, product differentiation. This is very important feature of this market. It's very important feature of monopolistic competition. Product differentiation means, ये meaning, ये अलग से
Product of each.
क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, what is product differentiation? इसी में मैं लिख लूंगा, product differentiation means when products are same.
Yes, sir. Similar.
Slightly different. Products
Yes,
are
sir.
same or similar, but slightly different.
But not identical. Yes, sir.
But slightly different with each other and act as close substitutes. And act as
Close subs.
close substitutes is called a product differentiation. Product differentiation is called a product differentiation.
Product.
So we can say the product differentiation does not mean that products of various firms are altogether different. They are not altogether different. Products produced by different firms are not altogether different. They are different slightly, but similar to each other and serve as act as close substitutes. And act as close substitutes to one another. For example, we have Lux, we have Nirma,
Yes, sir.
we have Hamam, we have Synthol, etc. So these are different types of soaps. All
Yes,
act
sir.
as soaps. All work as soaps, but they are produced by different companies. They have different packing, they have different color,
Yes,
they
sir.
have different taste, but act as close substitutes. जो काम लक्स करती है वही निर्मा भी करती है, वही हमाम भी करती है, वही सिंथॉल भी करती है, वही और कोई डव भी करती है. So this is product differentiation. This is product differentiation. So when there are many substitutes to a commodity, there will be many prices for the same product. So it is product differentiation which creates imperfection in the market. So when there are different substitutes for a product, different substitutes for a product. There are different prices. There are different prices for the same commodity. For the
Yes, sir.
same
commodity.
commodity. ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स एक ही हैं, ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स एक ही है,
एक
एक ही है ना,
identical.
but price is different.
Yes, sir.
So we can say different price prevails for the same commodity.
Yes, sir.
मुख्तलिफ प्राइस प्रिवेल होता है, but the commodity is same, so that makes the market imperfect. That makes the market. So
Imperfect.
when there are different substitutes for a product, for the same product, there are different prices for the same commodity, which makes the market imperfect. Which makes the market
Imperfect.
imperfect. ये मार्केट को imperfect बना देती है. So product differentiation is responsible for making the
Product.
market imperfect and making the market monopolistic competitive market. Monopolistic competitive market. अब हम किस तरह ये कहेंगे कि इस मार्केट में मोनोपोली भी है और कंपटीशन भी है. एक फर्म मोनोपोली भी है, बट द सेम टाइम उसको कंपटीशन भी फेस करना पड़ता है. कैन यू गिव मी एनी एग्जांपल? आप मुझे कोई मिसाल दे सकते हो?
A pocket of Virka, but made similar to another.
For example, there are toothpastes. Toothpastes है ना?
Yes, sir.
It is produced by so many companies. Colgate एक कंपनी है, इसी तरह
Pepsi.
पेप्सोडेंट है,
Close up है.
क्लोजअप है, एटसेट्रा.
Yes, sir.
प्रोडक्ट्स आर सेम, एक ही
Yes, sir.
मकसद के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं, है ना? बट देयर टेस्ट इज डिफरेंट. सो कोलगेट
sir.
वाले को एट द सेम टाइम कंपटीशन फेस करना है इनके साथ, क्लोजअप वाले के साथ, पेप्सोडेंट वाले के साथ, बट एट द सेम टाइम साइमल्टेनियसली the company is monopoly in its product. For example, there are 500 customers who are using toothpastes of different companies in the market. जो इस मार्केट में टूथपेस्ट लेते हैं, कुछ कोलगेट लेते हैं, पेप्सोडेंट लेते हैं, कुछ क्लोजअप लेते हैं. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
इनमें से फॉर एग्जांपल 100 ऐसे हैं जो खाली कोलगेट ही इस्तेमाल करते हैं.
Yes, sir.
तो खाली कोलगेट ही.
Colgate is.
अब रह गए 400. 400 के लिए ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इसी तरह फॉर एग्जांपल 50 इसमें ऐसे होंगे जो पेप्सोडेंट ही इस्तेमाल करते हैं, उसके सिवा कोई टूथपेस्ट उनको ठीक लगता ही नहीं. इसी तरह फॉर एग्जांपल 100 ऐसा है कि जो क्लोजअप ही इस्तेमाल करते हैं. अब कितने रह गए? आखात जहात टाइम गए 2 2 गने.
Yes.
वालों 2 कितने रोज 2
Dye.
वो हम 250 जो हैं वो 3 कंपनीज में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हैं.
Yes, sir.
अब 250 रह गए, उनके लिए ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कि कौन सा टूथपेस्ट है, उनको टूथपेस्ट चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
हैं?
चाहे कोई भी हो.
ये कोई भी हो.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
वो 500 में 250 ऐसे हैं जो ऑलरेडी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट है डिफरेंट कंपनीज में. सो वी कैन से Colgate has monopoly power upon these 100 customers. Pepsodent has monopoly power upon this 50 customers. Close-up has monopoly power. वो भागने वाले नहीं है क्लोजअप से, वो कंटिन्यूअसली क्लोजअप ही इस्तेमाल करते हैं. इस पर कहां से वना में खाली कलपाल सहित फर्क गसन. कोई ऐसा बंदा होता है जो बताता है मुझे सर दर्द के लिए खाली कलपाल चाहिए और मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. So Kalpal company has monopoly upon those customers. इसी तरह कोलगेट वाले को इस 100 कस्टमर पे मोनोपोली पावर है. अब 250 रह गए. ये 250 इस 250 के लिए नहीं है, वो पेप्सोडेंट इस्तेमाल करे, कोलगेट इस्तेमाल करे, क्लोजअप इस्तेमाल करे. तो इस 250 में इनका कंपटीशन है.
Yes, sir.
जो रिमेनिंग 250 हैं, the remaining 250 customers, they create competition for the firms. अब इनका जोर है इस पे कि इन 250 में कितना कौन लेगा. So that is why there is competition also. There is monopoly also, there is competition also. This is due to product differentiation. और भी कुछ चीजें हैं जो इस मार्केट को कॉम्पिटिटिव बनाती है और मोनोपोली भी बनाती है. So first is product differentiation. What is product differentiation? Product differentiation means when products of different companies are same, but they are slightly different with each other, but act as close substitutes with each other. That is called product differentiation. For example, Lacus, Nirma, Hamam, Synthol, etc. When there are different substitutes available for the same commodity, there are different prices for the same commodity, which makes the market imperfect.
Imperfect.
Yes, ये है second feature, very important feature.
Yes, sir.
Differentiated products are bought and sold, produced and sold in this market. Third and important is
Free entry or exit of firm.
no selling cost. Third लिख लीजिए आप selling.
Yes, sir. Selling costs.
Yes, very important feature. Selling cost means costs on
So,
cost
lost of
means-
money.
costs on advertisements.
Yes, sir.
Advertisement.
Newspapers.
Costs on advertisements. So in this market, the firms incur cost on advertisements. Incur cost on advertisements. They spend a lot of money on advertisements. So selling cost means cost on advertisements.
Meant.
Every firm in this market, every firm in this market spend a lot of money on advertisements
Of its products.
Spend a lot of money on advertisements on its products,
Yes, sir.
on its products
Products.
to promote its business, to promote its business,
Business.
to promote its business.
Business.
Yes. Why they are incurred? Why this money is spent? The selling costs are made.
More units of products.
The selling costs are made by the firms to increase their market share, to increase their market share, or to prevent a fall in their market share. ये दो चीजों के लिए किया जाता है. Firms
Market.
have to incur a lot of expenditure, have to spend a lot of money on advertisements, which is called selling costs. Firms incur this expenditure for two purposes, either to increase their market share, अपना market share बढ़ाने के लिए, या जो इसके पास market share है उसको बचाने के लिए. दो चीजें.
Yes, sir.
अगर एक फर्म है कोलगेट, उसका मार्केट शेयर है फॉर एग्जांपल 50%.
Yes, sir.
ये एडवर्टाइज करता है अपने प्रोडक्ट को इसलिए ताकि उसका मार्केट शेयर बढ़ जाए फ्रॉम 50 to 55 और 60, 70, 80. और दूसरा चीज ये है इसमें कि वो अपना मार्केट शेयर बचाना चाहता है। अगर दूसरे फर्म्स ने एडवर्टाइजमेंट की, वो इसके कस्टमर्स को लेगा तो उससे उसका मार्केट शेयर कम होगा। सो इट इज made for two purposes, either to increase their market share or to prevent a fall in their market share. So generally, selling cost is that cost which is made on advertisements of the products of a firm. It is made to increase their market share, increase the market share of the firm, or to prevent a fall in their market share. Number third हमारा फीचर है इंटरडिपेंडेंस ऑफ फर्म्स। इंटरडिपेंडेंस ऑफ फर्म्स जो हमने ऑलिगोपॉली में भी पढ़ा है। The firms are interdependent, हाँ? फोर्थ है ये, फोर्थ वन, फोर्थ interdependence of firms. The number of firms in this market is few.
Yes, sir.
इसमें नंबर ऑफ फर्म्स फ्यू है। द नंबर ऑफ फर्म्स इन दिस मार्केट इज फ्यू। So any change in price or product, any change in price or product or output by a single firm, have direct effect on other firms, have direct effect on other firms. अगर एक फर्म अपने प्राइस में चेंज लाएगी, अपने प्रोडक्ट में चेंज लाएगी, उसकी पैकिंग में, उसकी डिजाइन में, उसकी कलर में या आउटपुट में कोई चेंज लाएगी, तो उसका डायरेक्ट असर, डायरेक्ट इफेक्ट दूसरे फर्मों पे पड़ जाता है। They will react on their part and will affect the firm. They will react. वो भी रिएक्ट करेंगे अपने तरीके से on their part and will affect the firm. अगर उन्होंने भी अपने तरीके से ये रिएक्ट किया तो उससे क्या होगा, इस फर्म पे असर पड़ेगा। Thus, in this market, there is mutual interdependence of firms. Thus, in this market, there is mutual, M-U-T-U-A-L, mutual interdependence of firms. इस मार्केट में there is mutual interdependence of firms. If one firm decreases its price, for example, another will react. दूसरे भी react करेंगे. It will affect directly to this firm. Its market share will either decrease or it may get affected. This is the फोर्थ। ये एक दूसरे पर मुनहसिर हैं, ये फर्म्स एक दूसरे पे इन्हिसार रखते हैं और डिपेंडेंट अपॉन ईच अदर with respect to price, with respect to product, with respect to package, design, color of the product, etc. नंबर नेक्स्ट टॉप लिख लीजिए, हाई क्रॉस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड। फिफ्थ, हाई क्रॉस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड। जो मैं फीचर देता हूं ना, वो किताब में थोड़ी डिफरेंट है। किताब में ऑलरेडी जो फीचर्स हैं वो तो आसान से हैं, वो तो उतने ज्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है, मैं थोड़ा अलग देता हूं। In this market, the value of cross elasticity of demand is very high because substitutes are easily available for a market, for a product,
Market, yes, sir.
for a product. The cross elasticity of demand, the value of cross elasticity of demand is very high because close substitutes are easily available or easily
Available.
for a product. So customers can easily get the close substitutes for a product. That is why there is high cross elasticity of demand. That means if the price of a product falls, the customers run away from another product to this product. If there is X and Y, they are substitutes to each other. It is Lux and this is Hammam. If there
Yes,
is
sir.
any change in the price of Hammam, it will affect the demand of
Another.
X. If price of Y changes, it will directly or it have a great influence upon the demand of Y. That is cross elasticity of demand. Okay.
Demand.
Okay. और एक है इसमें
Sir, imperfect knowledge.
imperfect knowledge है और है ये lack of this freedom of entry and exit of firms, ये भी है.
Yes. And less mobility.
Less mobility of factors of production है. कितना है? Fifth, sixth है freedom of entry and exit of firms. Freedom of entry and exit of firms. So in this market, the firms are free to enter or leave the market. Yes, firms are free to enter or leave the market. Leave the market. इसी तरह less mobility of factors of production.
Sir, firms are free.
To enter or leave the market. To enter or leave the market. Less mobility of factors of production.
There are no.
Factors of production like land, labor, capital, organizer.
Yes, sir.
They are not free to enter the market or leave the market. There is no perfect mobility of factors or goods or services. There is no perfect mobility. There is no
Yes.
perfect mobility of factors or even goods
And service.
and services. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
और एक है eighth one, which is very important, I think, non-price competition. Non-price competition. Competition without changing prices. Non-price competition. Very important feature. Go. Non-price competition. ये कॉमनली ये फीचर इग्नोर किया जाता है. तो फर्म्स में कंप्लीट विथ वन अनदर विदाउट चेंजिंग प्राइस ऑफ देयर प्रोडक्ट. फर्म्स कंपीट करते हैं. फर्म्स में कंपीट विथ ईच अदर. फर्म्स में कंपीट विथ ईच अदर with each other without changing the price of their product. Without changing the price of their product. So firms may compete with each other without changing the price of their product. ये कैसे? For example, if you buy one pocket of surf, ऐसा होता है, कभी ऐसा भी होता है, for example, buy 3 get 1 free. प्राइस सेम है लेकिन कुछ ऑफर दिया गया है. इसी तरह एक एग्जांपल यह है. सेकंड एग्जांपल, बाय 1 kg of surf, you get 1 glass tumbler. एक गिलास इसके साथ आप फ्री ले लीजिए. You get 1 glass tumbler free. ये भी हो सकता है. Thus the firms compete by offering gifts. Thus firms compete by offering gifts. By offering gifts to the buyers. To the buyers, rather than decreasing prices. Rather than decreasing prices. Prices to increase market share. Market share. So this is non-price competition. So firms may compete with each other without decreasing or lowering their prices by offering gifts to its customers, to its consumers, to lure them and to increase their market, share. So these are some of the
Features of
monopolistic competition. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So these are some 7-8 features of monopolistic competition. तो आप
Sir, which classification of monopoly?
कौन सा है?
Sir, classification change.
किसकी क्लासिफिकेशन?
Sir, इसी की monopolistic competition.
कौन सी क्लासिफिकेशन है? तो सिलेबस में नहीं है. हाँ जी. और explain the consequences of a straight line downward sloping demand curve for a firm. Differentiate between price discrimination and product differentiation. ये हम कल करेंगे. Price differentiation and product differentiation में क्या फर्क है. तो बाकी हो गया है. इस तरह हमने ये कंप्लीट किया है चैप्टर प्रोबेबली. हम कल देखेंगे और भी कुछ मत होगा. हमारा टाइम भी अब भाग गया है. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
This is enough for today. Thank you very much.